All right, hello everyone. I'm Dyson Adams from Bridgeport, New Jersey. I'm a freshman finance major. I'm discussing discussion board post number 2. So for question A, the piecewise function, it says if 0 is less than x, no, if x is greater than 0 but less than 1500, the amount of tax would be 0.025x. Now, how I got there was I saw the 2.5% of taxable income, and I know I had to convert it into decimal form, so I could apply that to the money that was made. So I just moved the decimal point two spaces forward, and then added an x. For the second part of the piecewise function, it was a little different. So for the percentage part, I did the same thing, but for the negative 480, I did you have to do 375 plus 0.057, which is the numbers that they gave you, and then multiply that by x minus 1500. So when you do that, you get negative 480 plus 0.57. And then I did the same thing for the last one. I converted the percentage into a decimal, and then I did what did I say? I did negative 1,230, and I did that, and I subtracted that from 30,000. I did negative 1,230 plus 0.064, and then multiplied that by x minus 30,000. So that's how I got all the piecewise functions. For the graph, I just looked for the one that connected from 0, 0 and had a steady uprising, and wasn't just here to straight here. So also I looked for the dots that connected from where the tax was to where the income was. So that's how I determined the graph. And then for finding the amount of tax due, I did 26,964 minus 15,000, which got me to 11,964. And then I multiplied that by the appropriate percentage that needs to be deducted. So I did 0.064x, or not x, not, no, wrong percentage. I did 0.057 times 11,964, which then I got 681.95, and then from there I just added the rest of the tax on. So that would be 375 that I add on. So I get 1,056.95, and that's how much tax is owed. So that is how I completed discussion board 2. Thank you for listening.